Hi friends, so this video will be about the different openings into the diaphragm, and there are many different openings in the diaphragm, but in this video we'll be studying about the three important major openings in the diaphragm on which many questions are asked for the post graduation entrance examinations. The three main important opening in the diaphragms are of vena cava, esophagus and aorta. You have to remember VEA, that is V stand for vena cava, E stand for esophagus and A stand for aorta. Now the level you have to remember, it is very simple to remember the level at which it opens into the diaphragm. So it starts with at thoracic 8 vertebra, that is T8, then just add 2 subsequently to it. Like for esophagus it would be 8 plus 2, that is at T10, and for aorta it would be 10 plus 2, that is T12. So coming to the vena cava opening, which are the other structure which passes through vena opening, and the mnemonic you have to remember is vena cava is very important person, that is VIP. So what is VIP? V stands for vena cava opening, I stands for inferior vena cava, and P stands for phrenic nerve. Now there are two phrenic nerve, that is right and left. You have to remember the right phrenic nerve opens to vena cava. So how you have to remember that? VIP persons are always right? So right phrenic nerve opens into the vena cava. Coming to the important structure passing through the esophageal opening, the mnemonic is VLOG. Now here V stands for vagus nerve, L stand for left, O stand for esophagus, and G stand for gastric vessels. Now just you have to remember the left is for the gastric vessels. So it would be vagus nerve, left gastric vessels, and esophagus. Coming to the important structure passing through the aorta, you have to remember the mnemonic ATA. ATA means wheat. ATA is a Hindi word which means wheat. So ATA. So what is ATA? ATA goes through aortic opening. A stands for aorta, T stands for thoracic duct, and A stands for azygous vein. So till now we have seen about the level and the structures passing through it. Now this opening, where are actually these openings located in the over the diaphragm part? So there is also a mnemonic for it. So vena cava, we remembered, we know that the mnemonic for vena cava was VIP. So VIP persons are always a center of attraction, so they are always located at center. So vena cava opening is located at the central part of diaphragm, that is central tendon diaphragm. Then coming to esophagus, just you have to remember E stands for ego, and ego is very strong, so it is very muscular part. So esophageal opening comes through the muscular portion of right crux of diaphragm, right? Just remember the muscular portion of the diaphragm. Then coming to aortic opening, A stands for aorta, A stands for aponeurotic path. So it opens between the right and the left crux aponeurosis of diaphragm. Now let's see the different questions asked in the entrance examination for post graduation. The first question is esophagus enters through. Now I said that esophagus is E stand for esophagus. E is a ego. Ego is a very strong part, muscular part. So it opens through muscular part of diaphragm, that is C. Then the second question is aortic hiatus contains. If you remember aortic hiatus, I said aortic hiatus, the structure passings are wheat, that is aorta. A stands for aorta, T stands for thoracic duct, and A stands for azygous vein. So the answer here would be C, that is azygous vein and thoracic duct. Coming to the third question, IVC passes the diaphragm at what vertebra level? So the sequence you have to remember, that is VEA. So it starts from T8, adding plus 2 to subsequent level of vertebra. So IVC passes the diaphragm at the level of T8. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video informative, please like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.